What's up, guys? My name is Serge. As always, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and go ahead and leave a comment down below. So I'm actually kind of feeling a little bit under the weather right now. I know you guys probably don't care about that, so don't mind me kind of sounding a little monotone or just not being as expressive as I usually am. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump straight into the topic of this video. I actually want to talk about what my next business venture is, and why I'm going to be considering these three business ventures. I'm not going to start them right away. It's something I'm working on, a couple other projects, but these are three that I am definitely considering and have looked into for a while. And one of them I'm sort of doing already, but yeah, so let's go ahead and start with the first one. The first one I want to start with is actually real estate. For me, getting into real estate, I actually really enjoyed the process a couple months ago. There was a home that I was going to close on, didn't, but long story short, the process was really cool. I really enjoyed it in the sense of what all went into it. And there's a lot that goes into acquiring a property. And so not only that, but even just looking for certain properties for what you're wanting to do. And so I really enjoyed the process, and I was like, wow, okay, this could be something that I can definitely see myself doing a lot more in the future. And not only that, guys, but it's just a good investment. I mean, it's a good asset to have. And so for anyone who's already in real estate, props to you guys. That's awesome. And yeah, that is pretty much the first venture I want to really get into and put a lot of focus and time. The second business venture is fulfillment by Amazon, and this is something that has always sparked an interest for me, just because Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world, and if I'm not mistaken, they're the second one to hit $1 trillion. So you know, that is such a good, healthy company to invest yourself and your time into. And I know there's a lot of speculation right now with the trade war that's going on, and so for me, I haven't quite jumped straight into it because I've been doing a lot of research on it. I've been really just just trying to really get down the nuts and bolts of how to start and where to start, and etc. So I did take a course. I did do, you know, I got my own mentor and everything, but I'm just kind of holding off on that to see what happens with this trade war. It's kind of hard to really do right now because I have so many other projects. With that said, there's so many opportunities, and you want to be careful because you can get analysis paralysis, where you get all this knowledge and you learn about all this stuff, and then out of nowhere, you know, you just don't end up starting anything. So that, I mean, I'm guilty of that too, and so that's why with Amazon, I'm doing all this research and I'm gaining all this knowledge and etc. And I just want to be careful that I don't end up just acquiring all this knowledge about it and how to do it and not end up doing it because I'm doing 10 different things at once. So yeah, guys, be careful about that. Make sure you don't do that either, because it's not fun. Thing is, for me at this point, I just want to make sure that whatever I build is going to sustain, and it's not just going to be a monetary thing. And that's why real estate ultimately is one of the first things I'm going to really focus in on, is because you know, you can build that over time and you can sustain that portfolio. And if you know what you're doing, you can really build something great for yourself. And that's where a lot of millionaires made their money, is in real estate. And so eventually, I mean, for me, I don't know, I don't think I'll do fix and flips. You know, I just want to invest initially and hold my money in real estate rather than the stock market, just because I'm in more control of real estate. And so yeah, real estate is definitely up there, and it's definitely going to be something I'm going to do. Now, fulfillment by Amazon, probably not going to do that right away. Probably going to give that some more thought, and continue just educating myself on it, so that way, you know, I can be prepared for whatever happens. And like, again, guys, just start, you know, like I always say, but also, you know, you got to you know, you don't want to be chasing 10 rabbits and not catching any, right? So you want to really get good at something and then move on from there. So guys, again, take your time. I know there's a lot of opportunity. Like I said, that's where I'm kind of headed in these next couple months, even years, whatever happens. So yeah, guys, again, Thank you so much, guys. Comment down below what you guys are thinking about doing. Hopefully I can provide some insight on it. And again, like, comment, subscribe, and God bless. Bye.